chicken bites. I'm in a hurry. Oh, it is a beautiful... Welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. In today's episode, I am just going to make a really quick homemade guacamole, and it is going to be fabulous. So stick around if you want to see how to make it. But if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to Sincerely Legenia, go ahead and take the time right now to click that subscription button. Click the notification bell right next to it. Don't forget to leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up. All right, I'm ready for some guacamole. Let's get started. All right, to begin, I'm going to start with 3 avocados. I am going to cut them in half, pick them, and put them in my bowl here and get them ready to smash along with the rest of the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. 1, 2, 3. All right, next we're going to dice 2 Roma tomatoes. Toss that in. All right, next we're going to chop some fresh garlic. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Of salt. Here we're going to start mashing this up. We're going to add a dash of cayenne pepper. All right, and now we're going to mix this all together. All right, now let's give it a taste. Delicious. I hope you guys get a chance to try this at home. It is absolutely delicious. Your family is gonna love it. It's quick and it's easy and it's keto. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I pray that you and your family have a blessed and prosperous week. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Sincerely, Legenia.